Most ruthless woman in Greek history. Was Alexander the Great's mother, Olympia, the most ruthless woman ever? During Alexander's childhood, she brainwashed him into believing that his real father was the Greek god Zeus, and it was his destiny to be a conqueror. She used to sleep with snakes in her bedroom and was a practitioner of dark magic and witchcraft, performing secret rituals to protect Alexander and ensure his success in battles. She was reportedly involved in killing her own husband, King Philip of Macedonia, when she felt he was sidelining Alexander and would name his half-brother the heir instead. After Alexander became king, she forced another wife of King Philip, who had replaced her as his favorite wife, watch her infant daughter burn alive. She then presented her with 3 gifts: a rope, a dagger, and poison, letting her choose her own fate. Even Alexander was